Imagine creating your dream game with a tool that's completely free, incredibly powerful, and actually fun to use. Today, we're exploring Godot, the game engine that's revolutionizing how games are made. Godot stands apart in the game development world. It's completely free and open source, meaning you'll never pay a penny to use it. But don't let the price tag fool you. This is a professional-grade engine used by developers worldwide. The entire engine is incredibly lightweight, usually under 100 megabytes, compared to the gigabytes required by other engines. Getting started with Godot couldn't be simpler. Head to godotengine.org, download the version for your system and extract it. Notice something different? No complicated installation process. Just extract and run. Let me show you how quickly we can jump into development. Godot's interface is thoughtfully designed to keep you focused on creating. On the left, your scene tree organizes every element in your game. The center viewport is where the magic happens, your direct window into the game world. And on the right, the inspector gives you precise control over every property. Think of Godot's node system like digital Lego blocks. Each node adds specific functionality to your game objects. A rigid body for physics, a sprite for visuals, a collision shape for interaction. Combine them and you've built something amazing. Let me show you how quickly we can create a playable character. First, we attach a script to our player node. Next, we set two important constants. Speed controls how fast our character moves horizontally. Jump velocity is negative because in Godot, up is negative on the y-axis. This determines how high our character jumps. Here's a neat trick. Instead of hard-coding gravity, we get it from our project settings. This makes it easy to adjust game-wide physics later. The physics process function runs every frame. Delta tells us how much time passed since the last frame, keeping movement smooth regardless of frame rate. This is our gravity check. If the character isn't touching the ground, we apply gravity to make them fall. Multiplying by delta keeps the fall speed consistent. When the player presses spacebar, we set our vertical velocity to our jump value. This line handles left and right movement. Get axis returns -1 for left, 1 for right, or 0 if no keys are pressed. If we have a direction, multiply it by our speed. That's our horizontal movement. Otherwise, smoothly decelerate to a stop using move toward. Finally, move and slide applies our movement and handles collisions automatically. Godot comes packed with professional-grade tools that would cost hundreds elsewhere. Godot isn't just changing game development, it's making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're creating your first game or your 50th, everything you need is right here, completely free. Ready to start your game development journey? Download Godot today and let's create something amazing together.